Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you're new here, my name is Esther Mofrey. In today's video, I want to show you two websites that can pay you up to $200. If you're in Kenya, that's 20,000 Kenya shillings. That's too much. So I will be sharing with you these two amazing websites. And before I do that, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe to Esther Mofrey, subscribe to this channel. I do videos or content about making money online, business growth, and network marketing. So don't forget to subscribe and put on your notification bell so that you can be notified anytime I upload a new video. So guys, without wasting any time, let me show you the two amazing websites that you can make more than $200. Okay, so guys, the first website is called clarity.fm. So as you can see here, it's clarity.fm. The link, I'll put the link down in the description box. So on this website, when you open, as it can say, startup advice from world-class experts. What this website does, it gives experts a platform where you can post your skills and people pay you. People will pay you to help them in your field of where you are you're most skillful. So for example, it's saying, Are you an expert? Join a community of passionate experts and thought leaders who are being sought out by fellow entrepreneurs. So if you're at home, you have skills, maybe in business, anything, you can come here to this website and you can say, become an expert. This website is it's free to join, and all you need is to say become an expert. Then you'll come here, fill in your information. It is asking you about basic information, profile photo, verification, and topics that you'll be dealing with. Get paid for your profession advice. So no matter what you're good at, this website can pay you. So we come here to browse. We want to browse different jobs so that I can show you. As you can see here, these jobs are get top tier media exposure for your company for free. What happens if you post an expertise, or if you post your skill, people request a call and they pay $8 per minute. Can you imagine? $8 per minute. It's all depend with how much you want to charge. So for instance, this person is charging $8 per minute. If you do 100 minutes, that's almost $80. And maybe you do 100 minutes, almost 1.5 hours. This person is charging $1 per minute. You see this profession, narcissistic personality disorder abuse. So if you get in a call with this person, he will be able to help you to solve this problem. So in clarity.fm, it's any professional expertise or skill that you have, you can post it here. Those people who want to use your service, they will pay. They will request a call. So this on how to grow a profitable e-commerce business. You can come here, request a call. Per minute, you'll be charged $3. So imagine you're the one who is charging this money and you get like 10 calls every day. That's almost $30. So we come here, health, there's email marketing, sales, and marketing strategy. This guy is charging $1.67. So obviously you cannot talk 1 minute. You will be talking like for 60 seconds, or not even 60, like for 1 hour or 30 minutes. So on average per call, he can make around $20 to $30. So if he gets 4 calls or he gets 3 calls, I'm telling you, here you can make cool money. This guy is charging $16 per minute, and it goes on and on and on. You can come here to check about the categories. They have business, they have technology, sales and marketing, skills management, funding, industry, product design, and other. Or you can come here and say category. You can see all these categories. If it's skill management, do you want to teach people about entrepreneurship? You can click entrepreneurship. You can see here startups, 8 per minute. You can see here maximize your return on investment, 16 dollars per minute. So guys, this one also in Africa, it's not known. So imagine you have put your expertise or your skill in this website. Top startup, you see this guy is charging $1. Even if you charge $1, people will call you. Like this guy, if I call this guy 60 minutes, that's $60. That's 6,000 Kenyan shillings. So guys, take this website so serious. More so if you're at home, maybe you don't have a job at the moment, but you are you have some skills in a area, in a certain area or in a certain industry. Come and register for free and you'll be earning all this money, because this one is charging per minute and there's no way you can do calls per minute. Okay guys, so this is clarity.f. Comment down below, let me know if you'll give it a try. If you have any skill or expertise on any industry or any area, join this clarity.f for free. So guys, can we go to our next website? Our next website, it's called respondent.io. Respondent works closely like Clarity, but this one now you're paid to do research. It's all about researching, it's all about working for companies, it's all about what, as in it's like you're given work and then you trade your time and then you earn. So that's how it works. I can show you how it works. Business research, product research, exploratory research, consumer research, and it's saying get started. So how it works, there is a project that is posted, and then you can come in as you can come in. You want to answer, you do the research, and then the company pays you. So that's how it works. Let's say get started and see. All these websites, they are free to join. So it's saying the first thing when you click get started, it asks you, first, let us make sure you are in the right place. Do you want to sign up as a researcher or as a research participant? So if you are a participant, you get paid to participate in a research. If you are a researcher, you're the one with the research and you'll pay now the people who are participating. So guys, most probably you'll come here, click this one. You want to get paid to participate. Anyone can participate, and this makes this website the best. And then you can sign up here as a participant. Remember, it's free to sign up, and then you'll be seeing jobs posted. You can come here to browse projects. Let's see what kind of projects they are there. When you see browse project, this is what interests me, because like this one, you can see this one, seeking customer support professionals in newly formed support roles. You are paid $75 just to do this research, and it's about 45 minutes. This one was posted 17 hours ago. Seeking university instructor, building curriculum and managing units. If you're a teacher, you can apply in such a job. Seeking feedback from those who have tried to use Autodesk Dynamo. If you have used, you can come here. It has so many jobs, so many jobs. Are you helping your children to buy a home? We'd love to get your opinion. If you're a parent and maybe you're planning to buy a home for your children, if you do this research and you get asked simple question, you can imagine simple question, you earn $15. Seeking smartwatch owners. If you have a smartwatch owners, our client is looking for active smartphone users to provide insight on new concept. Smartwatch owners. Can you imagine you're paid $175 for this research, and it takes around 1 hour and a half. Seeking nursing home. So seeking gen parents, e-commerce merchandise, seeking university, seeking influencers, host fitness, art, dance, who have hosted virtual events. If you're in this category, you earn $75. Seeking moms of children with ear infection. So if you're a parent, you're watching me, and maybe your child has an ear infection, this is a survey that you will be paid $15. And it takes 15 minutes, guys. So if you're watching me and you're a parent, maybe you had an issue with your child has a problem with his ear or her ear, Yeah, you can come and do this research. Seeking security professional who currently use Microsoft admin security products, attended parties or events in short-term rental properties. You can imagine this one. Post it and $100. So there are all these jobs, guys. There is so much jobs. You can be able to come here and find something for you. So all you need is to come to the Respondent app, not app, the Respondent website, create account with them. After you create the account with them, you are able to get these jobs, and you can submit. You have to submit, and then when you're selected, you can start earning. So guys, that's it for today. I hope it is clear enough. I hope you have gotten something. I hope this one you have understood how it works. And yeah, so all you need is just to sign up on these two websites. It's the first one is called Clarity, and this one is Respondent, and this one can now pay you good money, $200 when you're in Africa. That's good money. So it will pay you if you have a skill, if you have something that you can share with other people. These are two websites that can pay you well than a 9 to 5 job. So guys, that was it. If you have liked this video, guys, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like the video, give it a big thumbs up, and comment down below. Let me know which website is most favorable for you, and yeah, tell me your thoughts. Share me your thoughts. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye bye. Love you.